Hey YT fam, it is your girl Nettie B back again with another home decor video. So as you guys see in this video, we're going to go ahead and give a little update to my kitchen and my dining area because you guys are on this journey with me, and I appreciate everybody that has been rocking with me since I started my whole YouTube with the home buying series as a first time home buyer. I'm so proud. Y'all, it's been a roller coaster, as you know, but like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video because I want you guys to see what I've done so far. So please like, comment, and definitely subscribe because your girl is trying to make it to 300. So help me out. And if you guys are new here, welcome. I am Nettie B preferably. And I just bought my home. It's gonna be a year this month in December 31st to be exact. So thank you for joining the YT fam. And if you have not already, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so here you guys are seeing these beautiful cabinets that I have, but I really want to bring out the handles. I purchased these handles from Amazon because, as you know, with new construction, if you've been keeping up, my cabinets did not come with them, so I thought that it would be really nice for me to add the black, since black is one of my accent colors in my kitchen area. And here, if you guys can bring your attention to my Backsplash, I also purchased this one for Amazon. It is the peel and stick, and it worked out pretty well for me. I would prefer the real granite or tile, but something that will do for now is the peel and stick, and I really do love how it came out. So check it out on Amazon, guys. Okay, here, so you guys, I wanted to show you my under cabinet lighting. I also purchased these from Amazon. Amazon is definitely one of my go-tos. If you guys know of any other home decor sites that I should be put up on, please comment below. But as you guys see, it's just one little bowl with a pill and stick, and it's battery operated, that I use, and it has multi-colors that you can choose from, and it's just a whole vibe for me. I love it, especially at nighttime. We're in a living room and don't want all the lights on. It's just a whole little vibe that I really enjoy. And as you can see, there's multiple color choices that you can choose from. So whatever mood you're in, you just go ahead and click away. We can do a solid white, green, blue, red, or even just a faded of all the colors. It's so fun, especially for my kids. They love to see all the colors passing through. And that brings my video to a close, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yes, I'm going to go ahead and grab myself a cookie before I head up for the night, and a bottle of water. But once again, I thank you guys so much for watching. Please continue to comment, like, and definitely subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 300 subscribers. I'm on my way. But once again, I appreciate my YT fam so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.